Hi friends, I'm Sirak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a most trending and viral Instagram reel trick you just need to know now. So this is the reel. So you can just post the Instagram video like a wider type of video reels only by Instagram. So this is so trending and unique resolution. So you just need to know how to create this. Just follow the steps I just going to show in this video, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So you just need to create the video first 1080 into 228 or 5120 into 1080. You can just get the both resolution. So it will be look like this. So first of all, you just need to plan the video. I just going to add some text. This is I just using Canva here. So I just added a text here like Instagram update. Then I just resize it and just place it and have to insert some logo and some animation. Just going to apply some animation. It's a simple thing. You can just add any videos like this and you can just create it your own. So I have a two different previews. You can see how I just created this video. So after creating the video, click on the share option. Just download it. I just using the Canva. You can just use any video editor you just needed. So after doing this, you just need to post this on regularly, whatever how you reels. You just posting the reels. You just post the reels and just set a thumbnail or add a new thumbnail from your camera roll and just share it. Now just refresh your homepage. You can see the reels has been posted. It's a wide angle reel. The trending wide angle reel has been posted. This is how you just create this reels. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day. Keep on the mind, there is a two different resolution. In the first video I just said, just follow the resolution and just do it. That's all.